give y'all a taste review, okay? We back in a minute. All right. So we finally got settled with Clay, Southern fried chicken, and seafood. Let's see what this box. This is the box that come in, y'all. This may be the chicken and stuff. All right, so we got the dark and a nice little biscuit. It's cute too. Oh, we got that whitening with some fries and some white bread. And got some ketchup. All the okra. We got some okra. All the okra them ways, y'all. We got some okra. Got some macaroni. We got some mashed potatoes and gravy, y'all. Here you go, love it. We got some tartar sauce. Comes in a nice little cute little container.
And to do voice. Macaroni and cheese is a fucking.
What's the macaroni and cheese about?
2.
It's a 2?
No seasoning.
No seasoning on the macaroni and cheese, y'all. Okra. Okra shake, okay. I like the texture. Yeah, I don't know. It don't look right.
It's horrible.
It don't look like shit.
That's the worst thing on the plate.
It ain't got no seasoning.
Everything else taste good, but that macaroni.
No, nothing.
Mashed potato good.
Them okra don't look like shit. You can look at that. Where y'all got that from?
We tried that place on Fairview.
Get them to the puppy dog.
Yeah, it's going to the dog. Unfortunately. Unfortunately, macaroni going to the doggy dog. Baby, that's sweet.
Okay.
Let's try the mashed potato. Gravy, a little dog.
Yeah,
Gravy, a little dog. What you say? Oh,
no,
yeah.
that is. That bad gravy.
Mashed potato, I give it 8. Tastes pretty okay.
She want her video on
We don't